All right, people of YouTube, it doesn't seem like it ever ends here. Honda Pilot, it's got a ton of miles on it. I've already replaced the coil springs, replaced the bump stop here and here, inside the coil spring, and replaced the shocks. I did that about, I don't know, 30,000 miles ago. But now I've got another noise, and the noise I've got is a clicking sound. And I'm pretty sure that it's probably these original sway bar tie rod ends. Not tie rod ends, these sway bar end links. And so I'm going to go ahead and replace these end links. And hopefully that takes care of the problem. I'm also going to go ahead and replace the sway bar bushings, which I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. But they're back up underneath there, inside the, above this cradle for the rear end and the axles. But I'm going to try to get up in there and replace sway bar bushings. The sway bar bushings, if they go bad on you, they'll start making sort of like a squeaking sound. Whereas the end links for the sway bars, that'll start making a clicking sound. So every time I go over a bump or I go over some rough roads, I hear a constant clicking in the rear. I also have a sort of like a scratching sound. Like a screeching sound, really, every time I go over a speed bump, and I'm pretty sure it's because of these control arm bushings. These control arm bushings are pretty worn out. You can see they're all cracked and breaking apart in there. So, a lot of noises in the rear end here, but then again, it's a, let's see, how old is this vehicle? 15-year-old vehicle with over 200,000 miles. And so, I think Honda's done really well with the parts they put in here, but most of these rubber parts are all going to have to be replaced. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the sway bar end links. I'll show you what I've done, and I'll come back here in a little bit.